Ebuzwa uSodi ukuthi iphi incwadi ezivumelwano sokwelulwa kwenkontileka yakhe nomnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu eFree State, lo fakazi uphendule kanje.
I don't think I've got a letter either, Chair, but it
Yes.
should have been there.
Ufakazi utshele ikhomishana ukuthi kulomsebenzi wahlomula itshe lemali.
It's a profitable project, you know. There's nothing
Very
wrong
profitable.
with it. It's very profitable, sir. You know, it happens.
uSodi uthi kwabathatha usuku olulodwa nje vo ukuthi baqeqesha abantu ababezohamba beyokwenza uphenyo emzini efulelwe ngoasbestos eFree State.
It could have been a day.
A day.
Yeah, it could have been a day. But it wasn't long. I mean, the training was not complicated training.
Yes.
So it wouldn't have taken.
Ufakazi uthi kungenzeka ukuthi wenza iphutha ngokuthi atshela abaphenyi balesica ukuthi ezinye izinkampani ezaziqashwe umnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu zathola malini.
I don't recall making that statement. And certainly I've got nothing to back it up. I've got no way that I can back up that statement because I wouldn't have known.
Isicawu siyaqhubeka.